Moving on, the big story, India Today's sting operation has caused a ripple across political circles in the country. While the expose has left several political parties red-faced, BJP has latched onto the sting operation to launch an offensive against the opposition. While the Congress raked up the scam taint against Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiren Rijiju in the parliament, the BJP put up a strong counter, raising the India Today Neta Cash Mafia expose that nails politicians across party lines. Union Minister Anand Kumar led the attack, saying that the Congress was involved in a conspiracy against the government's fight against black money. India Today's investigative team exposed beyond any doubt how political leaders from different parties were willing to convert black money to white for a hefty commission. And here's a look at how, in fact, politicians have reacted to India Today's sting operation across party lines.
And there are also now sting operations conducted by some television channels where some people are coming forward to take money and then convert the money. We also have information across the country at different places. Some bank employees, officers have indulged in fraud, and then some other people also are trying to misuse it. All the issues, they need thorough debate in Parliament. And for that, every political party must come forward and these issues will be debated.
ये सिद्धि को कोई ऐसा वैसा नहीं है. दिल्ली माइनॉरिटी फाइनेंस कमीशन का अध्यक्ष थे जब शीला जी मुख्यमंत्री थी. तो इसका मतलब फाइनेंस का ये पूरा अजीब अनुभव उनको है. उनका अनुभव है काला धन कमीशन पर सफेद कर देना. ये कांग्रेस का. और एक फोटो में वो राहुल गांधी जी के साथ खड़े हैं. राहुल गांधी जी को याद नहीं है तो मैं फोटो भेजूंगा उनको. और राष्ट्रपति भवन में तो वो सोनिया जी के पीछे खड़ा है. अब इतनी जिसकी पहुंच है और वो बता रहा है कि आपका काला धन है, डोंट वरी, सफेद कर देंगे हम, ये कह रहा है. और कमीशन पर करेंगे. कमीशन तो उनका जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है भाई. कांग्रेस, मुझे राहुल जी को एक सवाल पूछना है, एआईसीसी का नाम क्यों नहीं बदल देते? ऑल इंडिया करेंसी कॉन्ड्यूट, करेंसी बदलने का एक नया दुकान.
This entire corruption, this belief in continuing the black money economy is sadly coming itself directly by the political bosses and the political party. This is what is the shocking India Today sting operation shown today. I have requested the Speaker to please allow me to speak on this utterly important matter in Parliament.
Probably he visits foreign countries a lot, especially while the Parliament is in function. We rarely see him in the Parliament. He must be having special sources, maybe from God knows from where. So let him actually request his MPs to let the Parliament function. Let him have the courage to actually come inside the Parliament and level charges which he himself knows has no bunyad, because he has proved that in the past. History stands proof to the past that whenever Rahul Gandhi speaks, the BJP is helped and Congress gets more wiped out in different states in the country.
And of course, leaders raised the India Today special investigation report amid much din in Parliament. Parliament was finally adjourned for the day, both houses, which saw in fact a lot of ruckus. Brijesh Pandey, Deputy Editor, is joining us now from outside of Parliament. Brijesh, we have seen these statements of condemnation coming from leaders, but what are you hearing in terms of real action? Or is it only going to be used as political tool by people to, accuse and counter-accuse each other?
Well, I think, the biggest impact of this investigation is that, that the opposition parties which have been carrying, their demonstration against demonetization and also accusing the BJP, they all have been, they have been dealt a very hard punch, because all the time, they have been saying that the government is insensitive to the needs, and, that there are people involved within the BJP who are indulging in this, converting black into white. But what India Today investigation has shown is that, that these leaders from these opposition parties, be it JDU, NCP, Congress, Samajwadi Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, what they've been doing during these demonetization days is that one side in Parliament they are talking about common people, but behind the back they are converting black money into white, and that too at a whooping commission of 40%. So ever since this investigation has been aired, it has given a new fillip to the BJP, who has been attacking Congress. Now the slogan, as you just heard Prakash Javadekar saying that Rahul Gandhi should rename AICC as All India India Commission conduit. And the other BJP leader I spoke to said that, you know, wherever there is cash, there is commission, and wherever there is commission, there is Congress. So, you know, the Congress has come in for a lot of flack, though leaders, opposition party leaders are not admitting it. Mayawati, BSP Supremo Mayawati, you know, tried to say that, you know, it has been an orchestrated sting, but she was also very swift in acting against the person who was caught in the sting done by India Today. So it is very clear that, you know, that they realize the depth of this investigation, and this is the reason why, you know, despite what they're saying on camera behind the scene, they are taking swift action against all those who are involved.
Okay, Brajesh Pandey, just do stay with us, because as you mentioned about Mayawati, you know, India Today exposed this biggest conspiracy that has sabotaged demonetization, and the biggest expose has had a big impact. The sting operation carried out by India Today created a massive political storm. Red-faced political parties have been forced to swing into action. BSP Supremo Mayawati has ordered the sacking of her party leader Virendra Jatav. Rahul Gandhi, meanwhile, has promised action against his party leader Tariq Siddiqui, and JDU has initiated a probe against Satish Saini.
एक स्टिंग किया है जिसमें कांग्रेस से लेके एनसीपी और बीएसपी के नेता शामिल हैं और जो काला धन को सफेद कर रहे हैं।
मैंने अभी कहा है, अगर ऐसा काम किसी ने भी हमारी पार्टी में किया है, हम स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेंगे।
इसी क्रम में मैं आज सुबह ये कुछ चैनल देख रही थी, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहती, एक चैनल वो दिखा रहा था कि कुछ जो विपक्ष की पार्टियां हैं तो नोटबंदी के मामले में स्टिंग ऑपरेशन किया है, तो और उन्होंने उसमें विपक्ष की पार्टियां, लेकिन सोचने वाली बात यह, जिसने स्टिंग ऑपरेशन किया है उनको केवल विपक्ष की पार्टियां मिली हैं, यानी कि बीजेपी का कोई आदमी नहीं मिला उनको। वो दूध के धुले हुए हैं, वो दूध के धुले हैं। केवल स्टिंग ऑपरेशन, ये मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये मैनेज किया हुआ है। मैं अपनी पार्टी का बताना चाहती हूँ, यदि हमारा पार्टी का आदमी कोई मैनेज हो गया है तो ये भी ठीक नहीं है, तो हमारी पार्टी उसके खिलाफ जरूर एक्शन लेगी।
Well, Mayawati there, of course, sounding defiant in the face of the operation, raising questions about the operation itself, but also saying that if there is somebody involved from the party, she will act against him or her. But Brajesh, you know, going by the mood in Parliament today that we saw, it was so fiery and storming. What next really? Is there a parliamentary committee that's also going to look into the operation and think about steps to be taken?
Well, we don't know for sure as of now, but what we are getting to hear from the government sources is that the government might initiate a probe based on the findings of India Today investigation, because, you know, never before in the history of this country, the kind of, you know, investigation which is being carried out by various financial agencies, be it Enforcement Directorate, be it CBI, be it Serious Fraud Investigation Unit. So these people are carrying on continuous income tax raids and various other investigation to find out how many people are indulging in this, you know, converting black money into white, and this kind of investigation which has been done by us will also help them in, you know, nabbing the political masters of who actually are giving protection to these kind of conversion from black into white.
Okay, we'll leave it there. Brajesh Pandey, clearly the India Today story top of the mind as far as political parties and politicians are concerned. We'll continue to track all reactions coming in for the story.